Welcome to First Impressions Truck Lettering. Today we'll be doing a full vehicle wrap on a Jeep Cherokee. Customer is changing the color on their Cherokee from dark gray to beige to better serve their brand. The customer's name is Estancia Community. So here we go. So here's your finished product. A color changed, clean looking Jeep Cherokee that clearly displays the name of the company and really portrays a professional image. For any of your vehicle lettering, vehicle wraps, custom signs, and much more, please call First Impressions Truck Lettering.